Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable friend activity notifications in Apple Music on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on the Music app. Next, tap on Listen Now tab at the bottom. Then tap on the profile icon on the top right hand corner. From the pop-up, go down and tap on Notifications. Then in here, tap on Friend Activity. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off your Apple Music Friend Activity notifications. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key, then tap on Done, and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.